So after Java, we would be needing an editor. So we'll be downloading Eclipse. So from the Eclipse main website, we'll like on Google, we'll type download Eclipse. We'll go to this location. And one of the most stable version as of today is 2018-09. You can try out this 12 version as well, but I'm using this one at the moment. So you can try downloading the latest one. So this is the very first package we will be downloading, ID for Java EE developer. You'll get an installer file. Installation is again straightforward. Once you install the application by double clicking on it, it will gonna go inside your like I have installed in the application. So in application, you're gonna find Eclipse over here. So Eclipse, I have actually installed it over here. So just you need to double click on it, and it will gonna launch your application. Very first thing, you'll be giving your workspace. I've given it with the name Selenium New Series. Click on launch. We're gonna launch your project. So this is how your Eclipse looks like. Just close the welcome screen, and this is what you're gonna find. A project explorer where we'll be maintaining the project hierarchy. This is where we'll be writing the code, and here we're gonna get the output of that code. So we're gonna do some basic configuration of Selenium to make sure everything works fine. So I'll be configuring all the browsers on Mac as well, like the way we did it on Windows. So same thing we're gonna follow over here. Now on Mac, Edge browser will not gonna work, and IE browser will not gonna work. So the only browsers we can make sure are working are Safari browser, then Firefox, then Chrome, and then Opera. So these are the four browsers that we'll be configuring in our next lecture. And before that, we need to configure something related to Selenium, where we will be downloading the dependencies of Selenium, that is the Selenium jar file, and all the browser like executable files as well, right? So like the way we did for Windows, we have configured Maven. So same thing, we're gonna do it for Mac as well. All right, so in the next lecture, we're going to see the configuration of Mac. Sorry, Maven. Thank you.